conditions again more favorable for wildfires today. Several weeks of little to no rainfall across deep South Texas and the Rio Grande Valley have produced abnormally dry to moderate drought conditions with abundant very dry and dead grasses and brush. Additionally, breezy winds and lowered relative humidity percentages will occur today. These factors will combine to create conditions more favorable for wildfires. Outdoor activities that could inadvertently cause wildfires today are discouraged. These activities include burning trash, using welding or grinding equipment near dry grass, brush, and weeds, and driving or parking vehicles off-road in dead vegetation. Do not throw cigarette butts on the ground and do not allow safety chains to drag on roads if you are towing a trailer. Finally, be sure to report wildfires quickly to your local fire department or law enforcement office.